At first glance, the moon looks big enough to hold on to air, so the idea that it has almost no atmosphere feels wrong. If gravity keeps our air wrapped tightly around Earth, it seems like the moon should at least have something similar, just thinner. That expectation makes the moon's bare surface feel like a mystery. The key assumption is that gravity alone decides whether a world keeps an atmosphere. Gravity does matter, but it isn't the whole story. What really matters is how fast gas particles are moving compared hookup with how tightly a body can hold them. Even cold gas is constantly in motion, with individual particles zipping around at high speeds. On Earth, those gas particles move fast, but Earth's gravity is strong enough that most of them can't escape. They bounce around, collide, and stay trapped. On the moon, gravity is much weaker. Gas particles move at similar speeds, but the moon's grip isn't strong enough to reliably pull them back. Over time, the fastest particles simply drift away into space. Heat makes this problem worse. The moon has no thick atmosphere or magnetic shield to spread or buffer energy from the sun. When sunlight hits the surface, it can heat exposed gas directly, giving particles even more speed. That extra energy makes escape easier, not all at once, but gradually, particle by particle. There's also the issue of time. The moon has been sitting exposed to space for billions of years. Even if it once had a thin atmosphere, constant losses would slowly drain it away. Without ongoing volcanic activity or biological processes to replenish those gases, nothing replaces what escapes. Earth constantly refills its atmosphere. The moon does not. So the moon isn't empty because gravity failed completely. It's empty because gravity wasn't strong enough to win a very slow race. Over immense stretches of time, space quietly carried the air away. An atmosphere isn't just about having gravity, it's about holding on long enough to keep what you have. If this sparked your curiosity, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.